Hello, welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast. This is just a quick short video just to remind you to sign up for your Visit Fylde Coast email newsletter. I know I keep rabbiting on about it, pardon the pun. I keep rabbiting on about it and I keep mentioning it, but it's your gateway into finding out all about everything that's happening in this fabulous place. So currently I am sitting on South Pier, and it's a shame it's gone grey because yesterday it was lovely. So I thought I'd just sit down for 2 seconds and just explain how to sign up and what you get when you do. So all you have to do is to go to visitfyldecoast.info/newsletter, enter your first name and enter your email address, and it's that simple. Hit subscribe. Goodness me, this pier's bouncing. It's going boing, boing, boing. Hit subscribe and you'll get an email to acknowledge that you've actually subscribed. And that's it. That's all you need to do. So each week you will get an email that goes out on a Tuesday, which has got loads of interesting information on it. So things like big upcoming events, things like Blackpool, the air show, things that we're doing in Cleveland. Anything that's going off on the Fylde Coast. There's interesting historical stuff, so we always do a on this day feature. So today, now then, what did I put on today? Oh yeah, it was something about St John's Church in Blackpool town centre. We do a featured food place each week, so there's always a suggestion for somewhere to eat, because we obviously go around all them on Fridays. There's links to videos, there's links to shows that are on and all the best places to get something to watch, and loads more. So that's on a Tuesday, and then on a Friday we send out a what's on guide for the coming weekend. So that takes you from Friday through to Sunday, and that's just a full listing of everything that there is to do. So there's loads of ideas for all the family. There's stuff for kids, there's stuff for adults, there's local community events, there's big proper events, for want of a better word. There's things in pubs, there's things in churches, there's tabletop sales, there's choirs, there's shows, there's, you name it, there's everything. And if you're not on the Fylde Coast that week, all you need to do is to just delete it. Just delete it, put it into your junk, into your deleted box. Don't subscribe from the newsletter though on a Friday, because then you'll not get the Tuesday one either. So that's your gateway into all of the 8 fabulous Fylde Coast websites, and it's your way to find out everything that you want to know. So don't forget, go to visitfyldecoast.info/newsletter and sign up. And then don't forget what you're going to do. You're going to subscribe to Visit Fylde Coast on YouTube, and you're going to make sure you've got all your notifications enabled. And then when we find interesting things and different stuff to share, you'll be the first to know. Until next time, we'll see you later. Bye for now.